So today we are making a juice with jalapeno in here, tomatoes, celery, cucumber, spinach. This is like a V9, okay? I didn't taste it yet, but I'm hoping it's like savory like a V8, I'm hoping. That's what I was trying to go for, a nice savory juice. I don't think I've made a juice that was really savory yet, but I am scared. So here's everything looking so beautiful. Look at this. So about 14 stalks of celery, 1 big cucumber, jalapeno, 1 tomato, some broccoli, and half a bag of spinach. And then this is the bag right here. So this is a 10-ounce bag. Yeah, let's get into this. I'm gonna start with the spinach. And that's because you want your stuff that's like leafy or really like light to be on the bottom. That way the pressure from the heavier stuff can help push it through. Okay, I think this is the perfect time for this. So this new strainer attachment from Namawell is going to be a little bit foamy, and I'm not in the mood to be drinking that, so we're going to strain that by simply putting that there. Alright, so the rest of the stuff, let's go ahead and put this jalapeno in, the broccoli, and some more celery. I don't know why I didn't just cut that. So y'all, I completely forgot with celery, you should definitely cut it smaller because the strings, you know how celery is stringy, it'll get caught around the thing. And I'm wondering what's taking so long, and it's probably the juicer fighting the strings. So let's take a look inside. Yeah, see, I don't juice celery a lot because I think it's disgusting, but just look at all the strings flying around. So it's struggling a little bit, but she's getting there. Honestly, I'm about to just juice the rest of the celery that I have because this is about 25 ounces, say about 30 stalks. So it's probably about, well, I'll just say like 1.5 packs of celery. And that should do it. You know what? I think I may also want to add in this other tomato because I want it savory and it's looking too vibrant and green for me. And I'm hoping this will add in like a little bit more heartiness. You know, like kind of like a V8 style, you know? Should have had a V8. Like, you know, hearty like that. But I probably don't have, still nowhere near enough tomatoes for that. Let me show y'all my tomato. Hold on. For a ride. Alright, should be good. I know you lying. Hold up. There, that's probably good right there. Even after you think it's done, I still like to let it run with the thing open like this sometimes, because as you can see, the juice is still coming out. It's only a little bit, but still, that's the good tomatoes coming on now. We're gonna keep it running. All right, that's good. It made almost 40 ounces. This juice separates very easily, and I think it's because of probably all that spinach. Alright, I'm really nervous about this one, you guys. Pretty good. I think I could have put another jalapeno in here. Probably some more tomatoes to make it hearty. So that's what we'll do next time. Oh, that's good though. I like that. Alright, now it's time to clean up. I done made all these juices today. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I just keep changing my shirt. So... let me show y'all some of the other juices. I already scarfed down one because it was delicious. It was a berry juice. This is a beet juice. This is a beet juice. Well, beet and pineapple is still, oh my gosh, this is so freaking good. I don't usually leave my juices in the fridge like this, but I just made it earlier. Like I said, I made all these today. This is a, oh, this is fennel juice. Good gracious, that's a toughie. That's a toughie for me. This is a citrus juice with like grapefruit and oranges, I believe, and stuff. Something else in there. This bad boy right here, this citrus juice mixed with some sugar cane. So, whew, I've been busy today, but that's it. I had to put a dent in the stuff that needed to be used up. So, yeah, I did really good. That's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys for the next video. You heard me clean up so I can play with my dog because I know he got an attitude. Talk to y'all later.